Hello, my beautiful souls. It's very early in the morning, and I have the passion and the inspiration to do something in my journal. So, in previous videos, you can see each page being working in here. So, today I am going to work on one of the other pages, but I'm just going to choose it randomly depending of what I have here. So I was thinking to use these beautiful orchid little ephemeras, and I think that the perfect page for that is this one, in which I place fabric that I dyed with spinach extract. So as you can see here, the texture is amazing, and I'm using swatches. So this is easy. What I'm going to do is I'm going just to ink the edges with distress ink. This is vintage photo, and this is super easy, but it gives little details that you're gonna place a vintage look. So I don't want to see anything of these white edges, and then the effect is beautiful. So as you can see, this is a little bit longer. So what I'm going to do is place it vertical. So I'm going to have a pocket in this way, and the card is going to be this one. So that's going to be there. This is a free printable that I got, and it's really beautiful. So I can put the card this way, but if you see, this is going to be empty. So that tells me that the pocket needs to go this way, so I can have the little card inside, and then I can still see the orchid. In other words, when you're trying to apply some of the pictures or ephemeras to your journal, make sure that you get the best profit of all the elements that the image brings to you, as in this way. So depending of what you have, you're going to decide where to place it. That is very important. So now I'm gonna put it here, and I'm gonna start gluing it. Remember that creativity is endless, and there is no template to create. Just start, make step by step, make baby steps, and then you're gonna be successful. Nobody's gonna criticize you because it's art, it's your work. Okay, here I have. This is wonderful. Actually, this wasn't a freebie. This was something I bought on the internet. I don't remember the account, but I got it from 350, I think, and they're super nice. Probably this is a little bit too flat, so I would like to have something in here, or I just can put it there. And as this is fabric, I have a lot of elements around here. I have this stingray, I have this, of course it's too big. I was thinking like hanging this on the little chain there. I have this flower. Let me see, what about a feather? I have a lot of elements around here. Probably a feather, but I would like to, in this case, I will need to either put it this way, like almost outside, or in this way. What about there? I'm gonna think about this. I guess it's subtract interest from the page. What else do I have? I have this flower with a little button, and nope, I think right now I'm just gonna leave it like that, so I can just pull this out and put it in. Actually, I need more glue. Probably need my clamps. This is not working just with glue, because remember that is fabric, and it's probably gonna take more time. All right, so I'm gonna leave it like that. And I'm going to look for another page to decorate with you today, so we can do 2 pages. This was an invention or pop up from the moment. So I had this sticker and I wanted to cover the swatch. So I got this middle part here, and the other day looking in the newspaper I saw this beautiful image. I don't know if I want to have it here, but it's so big that I was going to only have the head, and then it has a beautiful dress with a lot of colors. So I think I'm gonna keep this for another project. So what are we gonna do here? I have this heart, I have lace, I have a frame. No, I don't think this frame. This, I make this pocket with a jar, and I'm going to fill the jar with some elements and messages, so you will see this in the next video. I have, oh, I know what to do. I have these, it was from a book. It used to be like a letter or something from history, world history. So what I'm going to do is finishing the borders with vintage photo, and I think I'm gonna use it there with those mushrooms. So I need a lot of brown, and let's see, I can have this here. Actually, it's this way, and I'm gonna do a little collage here. So probably I need something bigger to cover this part. What about these flowers? Yeah, it seems to be working, but then mushrooms here, it's too vertical, it's too straight. I don't think this is, it gives a pop-up color, but I don't want to have that. What about a butterfly? Can I just have a butterfly or 2 butterflies? This would be amazing because it's pink, but I need something big. What about this moth here? Let's try this one. It's a Sunday morning, and it's really quiet around here. I can only hear the planes. I live close to the airport here in Miami, so I just listen to the planes going in and out. And then today we're starting spring break, so a lot of people are going away from home, but I'm staying home. I have a lot of things to do and to organize, and of course I want to make a lot of videos. Okay, I think this can go inside the page, but I'm not convinced about the mushrooms. This is kind of a little bit crazy. I have this house. What about forgetting about everything else and just put this house here? I want it better for a pink place. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna leave this for later. I really don't have the inspiration right now, and I'm gonna start making the backgrounds, and I'm going to go to the first page, which is this one, and I'm gonna work here. So as you can probably remember, or if you want to see the details, you can go down here. I'm gonna link the video in which I made this page with the M and stunning from Maria. And as you can see, I have a stapler like seeing in the back, and also that thread coming from that. So it is super nice to have something big like this house to cover the whole thing. So I don't think this needs much. just probably, it's so perfect that I'm just gonna put it here and glue it. Yeah. What about having those flowers to cover the name? Funny face. Oh, that's cute because she has a funny face. Okay, so I'm gonna just glue this house here. I like it too much. I like it so much, so I'm gonna put it here. And then I'll cover that. Let's see what is the effect. It looks cute. This was from a book of stories for kids. Probably I can have a butterfly around here flying or something. Let me see this butterfly. No, that's a moth, so I don't think it matches with that. Number 8 is my favorite number, but I don't think. Well, you know what? I'm thinking to just leave it like so because actually it doesn't need anything else. The animals, the little window with the flowers, and then if you see it from here, you don't gonna see that part of the house because I have that lace there. So look at that. This is really nice. I'm just gonna leave it like that. Sometimes when you have complicated pages, you like to have something simple around also. So this is the journal so far. I'm gonna show it to you so you can have an idea about what is going on here. And this feather has been around all morning, so what about if he wants us to be inside here? Yeah, I'm gonna put it inside here. Let me see if I can do it. It looks like he really wants to be here. It's not fitting anywhere. Probably I should cut this part. No, it's okay. I'm gonna use it next time. So all right, so let me show you what I have. This is the cover. Then I have the back of the cover. I'm probably gonna be do something in here. I'm gonna be doing something in there. That's the second page. And this is the little house I just glued. And another thing about this and about journaling is that you don't have to finish your work in the same exact moment. You can always come back with more inspiration or with a different idea and complete your pages. This is really nice. I did this last time. I still have a journaling space, the butterfly. I have this pocket here. And today I did also this one. I'm going to glue this again and apply some clamps here. So as you can see, we have a lot to do still in this journal. Look at this little piece of lace and that piece of lace there. And I'm going to be doing a graphite here, and that's the end of the journal. So I hope you join me in this sacred space of creativity and self-discovery. And remember, I upload a video every week, 1 or 2 videos every week. So don't go away without subscribe and hit the bell. I see you soon, my friends. Bye-bye. Bye.